This quick video is about how to add emojis to your iPhone and iPad keyboard. Okay, let's see that. First open Settings, then open General. Now tap Keyboard. Here again touch Keyboards. To add emojis keyboard on your iPhone, click Add New Keyboard. Then type emoji on the search bar. Then you will find this. Just touch that. Now it's added. Let's check that. I'm opening Message app. Here you can see the emoji icon. Just click that. Awesome. Now you successfully added emojis on your iPhone keyboard. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.